Good morning, students. Now let's solve another question. Show that the modulus function f from real number to real number given by fx is equal to mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where mod x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod of x is minus x if x is negative. So how to solve this solution? Given that fx is equal to mod x and this is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0 and minus x if x is less than 0. Now consider f of 1 is equal to mod of 1, this is equal to 1. F of minus 1 is equal to mod of minus 1, this is also equal to 1. So this implies that f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, but 1 cannot be equal to minus 1. Hence the function is not 1 1. देखो इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि ये है x और ये है mod of x. अब x में अगर हम 1 रखते हैं तो mod 1 1, x में अगर माइनस 1 रखते हैं तब पर भी 1, तो 1 की इमेज 1, माइनस 1 की इमेज 1. f में अगर 2 रखेंगे तो mod 2 2, f में माइनस 2 रखेंगे तब पर भी ये 2. तो ये एक एलिमेंट की एक इमेज नहीं है, दो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स की एक ही इमेज है. तो हेंस दिस इज नॉट अ 1 1 फंक्शन, दिस इज अ मैनी वन फंक्शन. Now for onto functions, this defined from real number to real number. अच्छा, अब डोमेन को डोमेन देखें तो को डोमेन में हमेशा जब भी जो भी वैल्यू आएगी वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आएगी, क्योंकि mod ऑफ x जो है हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. तो जैसे इसमें अगर हम माइनस 1 है, माइनस 2 है, तो माइनस 1 और माइनस 2 की डोमेन में कोई भी इमेज नहीं होगी. There won't be any image of minus 1 or minus 2 in domain. ठीक है, तो since no value of minus 1 in codomain which is having any image in the domain, or we can say that or the codomain will not be having all the, or the codomain will be having all the non-negative values. That means for minus 1 in codomain there will not be any value of x, any value of x such that f of x is equal to minus 1. Hence the function is not onto. Okay students, now let us take another example. Show that the signum function f from real number to real number given by fx is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0 and minus 1 if x is less than 1 is neither 1 1 nor onto. Is neither 1 1 nor ऑन टू। तो सॉल्यूशन, सबसे पहले तो हम इसको समझ लेते हैं कि इसका मतलब है क्या। x इज इक्वल टू 1 यानी कि ये लाइन, x इज इक्वल टू 0 यानी कि ये, और x इज इक्वल टू -1 यानी कि ये x इज इक्वल टू 1, fx इज इक्वल टू 0 और fx इज इक्वल टू -1। Now from this graph it can be clearly seen that f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2, f of 1 means this 1, this is 2, f of 2 is also equal to 1, or f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2, hence the function is not 1 1. Now again see the graph, the value of y, the codomain having only, the codomain will be having only three values, 1, 0 and -1. Now for the value 2, 3, 4, there will not be having any value in domain. Okay, so that is since for -2 in codomain there will not be having any value in domain such that f of x is equal to -2. Hence the function is not onto. Okay students, let us solve another example. State whether the function is 1 1, onto or bijective. Given by function is defined from real number to real number and the function is defined by fx is equal to 3 minus 4x. Now 1 1 function is called as an injective function and onto function is called as an surjective function. And if any function is 1 1 and onto, that is injective and surjective, then the function is called as bijective. Okay students, now we will check whether the function is 1 1 or onto or both. So solution for 1 1, let x1 and x2 belongs to a real number such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So since f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x, तो f of x1 हो जाएगा 3 minus 4x1 और f of x2 हो जाएगा 3 minus 4x2. Now since f of x1 is equal to f of x2, so this implies that 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2 or x1 is equal to x2. Hence the function is 1 1. Hence the function is 1 1. Okay. Now for onto, तो y is equal to 3 minus 4x. So this implies that x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4. Now f of x is equal to f of 3 minus y upon 4, and this is equal to 3 minus 4, 3 minus y by 4. So this is equal to 3 minus 3 plus y. This is equal to, अरे हम, so f of x is equal to y. और मैंने बताया था कि जब f of x is equal to y आ जाए, इसका मतलब कि फंक्शन जो है वो ऑन टू है. तो हेंस द फंक्शन is onto, or the given function is 1 1 and onto, that is bijective. Since the given function is injective and surjective, therefore the function is bijective. Okay, students.